Here's how to install a cabin filter in your Mitsubishi Montero Sport. This should work for all the years of sport in the United States, which is 97 to 2004. You can pick these up on eBay. I'll list the part number in the description, and it's pretty straightforward. You cut out this plastic. It comes with like a plastic door, and you just take an X-Acto knife and cut it neatly around here, and make sure you save a little piece of the plastic and cut it to shape for this little slot right here, because you'll need that. And all you have to do is make sure the airflow arrow is facing the direction of the vents, because the blower would be over here. It's not installed on this one right now, and then all you have to do is line it up. There's a slot at the top and the bottom, and slide it in, give it a push, it pops into place. A little piece of plastic, push down, and there it is. Then you can kind of sneak in here and see it's all ready to go.